Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about region and region pairs in Microsoft Azure. So let's get started. What is region? So you may be thinking the definition of region, what it could be. So basically nothing but region is a part of geography which is divided by Microsoft Azure, which consists of multiple data center. So what you are thinking right now, okay, geography is divided into multiple regions. So and why do we need a paired regions? What are the need of that? So basically an Azure region consists of a set of data center deployed within a latency defined perimeter and connected through a dedicated low latency. This ensures that Azure services within the Azure regions offer the best possible performance and security. And basically, why do we need a region pair? To provide you security and data protection from disaster recoveries. So you may be thinking like, can I select my region pair? So no, basically some Azure services rely upon region pairs such as Azure Data, Azure Redundant Storage. These services do not allow you to create new region pairings. Similarly, because Azure control plan maintenance and recovery prioritization for region pairs, you cannot define your own regional pair to take advantage of these services. However, you can create your own data recovery solution. So further, we have like, am I limited to using services within my region pair only? No, you are not limited. You can use even for the services which are not in your region pair. So if we are talking about some of the region pair, we can see that in Asia Pacific we have East Asia, that is Hong Kong, and Southeast Asia, Singapore. In Europe we have North Europe, West Europe. These are regions pair. In India we have Central India and South India. These are some examples of region pair. So this is important note over here. West India is paired in one direction only. West India's secondary region is South India, but South India's secondary region is Central India, not West India. Brazil South is unique because it paired with a region outside of its geography. Brazil South secondary region is South Central US. South Central US secondary region is not Brazil South. So let me give you an example of paired region. So as you can see, in this diagram, there is a primary region and there is a secondary region. All the things which you are seeing in green are basically, where is that? The green number highlights the cross-region activities of this Azure services. So you can see that we have compute, storage, and database management services. These all are your cross-region activities which are happening, and the unique benefits of deploying across paired region are highlighted by orange numbers. So that is your primary account storage and secondary account storage, and primary database and secondary database. So if one data center goes down, the second will be working, or all the data are safe in your secondary region if primary went down. So cross region activities, if you are talking, so this is the figure. Azure Compute, you must provision additional compute resources in advance to ensure resources are available in another region during a disaster. Azure Storage, if you are using managed disks, learn about cross-region backups with Azure Backups and replicating VMs from one region to another with Azure Site Recovery. If you are using a storage account, the Azure Redundant Storage is configured by default, and when an Azure Storage account is created with GRS, your data is automatically replicated 3 times within the primary region and 3 times in a paired region. Azure, this is important. Microsoft may ask you the question, how many times the data is replicated? So 3 times. Similarly, we have SQL database with Azure SQL Geo Redundant with Azure SQL Geo Replication. You can configure asynchronous replication of transaction to any region in the world. However, we recommend you to deploy these resources in paired region for most disaster recovery scenarios. Then we have Azure Resource Manager. Resource Manager inherently provides logical isolation of components across region. So as you can see that we need region pair basically for your disaster recovery things. As I discussed what is region and what is region pair, and I discussed some of the region pair which we have in Microsoft Azure. Then we discuss like example of primary region and secondary region, with what are the advantages like primary storage, secondary storage, and primary database and secondary database, and the distance between them are more than 300 miles. So, and then we discussed cross region activities. Now let's talk about the benefits of paired regions. Physical isolation. When possible, Azure prefers at least 300 miles of separation between data centers in a region pair. Although this isn't practical or possible in all geographics, physical data center separation reduces the likelihood of natural disaster, civil unrest, power outage, or physical network outage affecting both regions at once. Isolation is subject to the constraints within the geography. Platform provides replication. Some services such as geo-redundant storage provides automatic replication to the paired regions. So if you're choosing a service like geo-redundant storage, it will automatically replicate to your paired region. Region recovery order. In the event of a border outage, recovery of one region is prioritized out of every pair. Applications that are deployed across paired regions are guaranteed to have one of the region recovered with priority. If an application is deployed across regions that are not paired, recovery might be delayed. In the worst case, the chosen region may be the last two to be recovered. Sequential updates. Planned Azure system updates are rolled out to paired regions sequentially to minimize downtime, the effect of bug and logical failure in the rare event of a bad update. Data residency. A region resides within the same geography as its pair to meet data residency requirement for tax and law enforcement jurisdiction processes. So as in this video we were discussing about a region and region pair, I told you the Microsoft divided the earth into multiple regions and each region consists of a region pair. A region is nothing but it consists of multiple data center where you can store your data. So if one region got down, if you have region paired, then the other data will be your data will be backed in the secondary region in the case of disaster like volcano eruption, civil unrest, power outage. So these are some benefits of region and pair, and what is region we discussed. Till then, you can see my other videos on the AZ900 exam series in my channel and other videos of cloud in my video section. You can also watch my playlist where I have discussed how to create this region in giving you live example in Azure portal. So do check my videos and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.